Hello everyone and welcome to Snowflake's February Snowflake Snow Report. We have a lot to cover. We're currently in Davos, Switzerland. Let's get into it.
Winter might still be here, but the pace of innovation at Snowflake is definitely heating up. Let's dive straight into what's new this month. I'm excited to share that Cortex Code CLI is now generally available, and Cortex Code in Snowside is coming soon. Meet Cortex Code, a Snowflake native AI coding agent built for your data. Unlike general purpose agents, it's Snowflake aware, grounded in your data catalog and workspace context. In Snowside, you can now move from question to action faster, find the right data, generate and refine SQL, and ask your questions of your data, all without hopping between tools. And now, Cortex Code extends to the command line with Cortex Code CLI, bringing Snowflake-aware, context-grounded help to your terminal and code editor. Create and deploy apps, Streamlit, and data pipelines directly from your terminal or IDE. Since it understands your Snowflake environment, you spend less time on setup and debugging and more time shipping. The best part? You can try it today. And if you're not sure where to start, just ask Cortex Code. What can you do? Now, let's chat about some can't-miss virtual and in-person events that are now available on demand. First, watch the What's New in Snowflake webinar to get the inside scoop on the latest and greatest Snowflake releases. This is more than just a recap. It's your chance to see how these new tools fit together to power your next big project. Next, you can watch the Build London keynote broadcast on demand and learn how to build production-ready data agents with Snowflake, Cortex AI, and discover the best practices for evaluating your results. Want more? Well, we've got you covered. Registration is now open for Summit 2026. Join fellow data and AI leaders in San Francisco to lead your organization in this next era of agents and enterprise intelligence. Let's keep it rolling. On February 26th, join us for a hands-on virtual lab where you'll learn how to build reliable, production-ready agents faster using Snowflake Cortex AI. Next, on March 3rd, join us for another virtual hands-on lab, from zero to semantics in minutes. The session explores the latest connectivity advancement for leading BI platforms and shows how quickly you can move from getting started to working with meaningful data in Snowflake. It's a great next step if you're looking to build on what you've learned and put it into practice. And for leaders looking to scale confidently, we're also offering Gen AI and Agentic AI for executives, a free on-demand training that introduces a 5-stage adoption framework for driving Gen AI initiatives in the AI Data Cloud. Beyond training, we want you to connect with our community and get inspired. But wait, there's more. This just in. The new class of data superheroes has arrived. They're bringing the expertise, the insights, and the real-world perspective that helps make us all better. This isn't just about data. It's about the community energy and the passion for knowledge sharing. Meet the humans behind the capes and check out our February lineup of events.
Well, that's a wrap for the February Snowflake Snow Report. Be sure to check out the newsletter for all the registration details and information. We'll see you next time.